Hello, all of you. So, today again I am with you in the live class, and today we are going to do the topic which is cube and cube root. It is the topic of class 8, and this is the first lecture. Here we are going to do the basic definitions of cube. So, I hope all those who are here are able to understand, or whatever the queries you are having, you can put your queries here only. So without delay, let us start the topic. So the first topic is, what is a cube? Whenever any number is multiplied with its times. So whatever the product we get, that product is known as the cube. For example, suppose I have taken a as the number. A is multiplied with a is multiplied with a. We got a cube. So it will be read as a to the power 3 or a raised to the power 3. Now this a cube, it will be read as a cube. For example, suppose I have taken one number 2. 2 multiplied with 2, it will come 8. And this portion will be written as 2 to the power, that is 2 cube. So I think the definition of cube is clear. Now come to the next topic, that is, what is the perfect cube? Suppose you have multiplied any number with itself 3 times. You get one product. Product will be known as the perfect cube. For example, 64. So 64, how you have got? You have multiplied 4 with 4 with 4. How many times you have multiplied? 3 times. So when you multiplied 4 with 4 3 times, you got 64. So this 64 will be known as the perfect cube. Similarly, for example, suppose I have taken 216. How you have got 216? You have multiplied 6 by 6 by 6 3 times. Then you have got 216. So this 216 will be known as perfect cube. I hope the definition of perfect cube is clear. Perfect cube is that number which we got as the product of any number 3 times with itself. That will be your perfect cube. Now we are going to talk about the properties of cubes of a number. Whenever you have taken the even number and you are going to find out its cube, you will get its cube as even number. Whenever you have taken the odd number, you will find odd and cube it, you will find an odd number as the result. So the cube of an odd number is always odd and the cube of an even number is always even. If you are finding the way explain, please push the like button. Now, the second property is this. If a number is multiple of 2, then its cube will be multiple of, very important property, right? For example, suppose I said the second property is if a number is a multiple of 2, then its cube will be multiple of 8. How it will come? Just understand it. For example, suppose I have taken 10, right? Now this 10 is multiple of 2. 2 5s are 10. I cubed it. So I will cube this also, right? By the laws of exponent, it will be 2 to the 3, 5 to the power 3. So it will come 8 multiplied 125. That means if any number is multiple of 2, its cube will be multiple of 8, right? A number which is multiple of 2, its cube will be multiple of 8. Similarly, one more property is there. If multiple of 3, its cube will be multiple of 27, right? So suppose 9 cube we have taken. 9 is a multiple of 3. So when you do 9 cube, you are going to get 27 multiplied 27. That means you can say 3. So it will be 3 to the power 3 multiplied 3 to the power 3. That is 27 into 27. So in this way, you can use this property that multiple of 3 if you have taken, so its cube will be multiple of 27. Now the next very important property is cube of any negative number is negative, cube of positive number is positive. Now why the cube of negative number is, I have taken minus 7, right? And I am going to find out the cube of minus 7. How do I write? Minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. Okay. So in this way, I am going to multiply, right? Now, what will happen? Minus 7 multiplied minus 7. When the two negative numbers are multiplied, their answer will be positive. That will be 49. And then 49 is going to multiply with minus 7. You are going to get minus 343, which will tell that minus 7 cube or negative numbers cube will be negative. Similarly, if I talk about the cube of a positive number, you are always going to get the cube of positive number as a positive, right? I hope the visibility is proper. If I'm not proper, please send me in the chat box so that I could understand. Now we have questions based on it. So question says find the cubes of 13. 13 cube, you have to multiply 13 3 times. You are going to get 2197. Similarly, now if I talk about the decimal number, if any decimal number is having one digit after decimal, so in it digits after decimal. If any number is having two digits after decimal, then there will be 6 digits in its cube after decimal. So the number of decimal digits in the cube of any decimal number is multiple of 3, right? Now you just see zero point 0.4 cube. It is coming 0.4 multiplied 0.4 multiplied 0.4, which is 0.16 multiplied 0.4. That is coming 0.064. Now, I talk about the negative number. The negative number's cube is always negative, which we have done and seen in the property also. Now we talk about the rational number. Whenever we are finding out the cube of rational number, so we have to do the cube of numerator and cube of denominator. So we will get as the cube of rational number is also a rational number. So this was very important thing which we have done. Now we talk about the unit digit relationship in the cube. So you just see here, I have written the cube of all the unit digits, right? So 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, and the 9 cube is 729. What is the most important thing here? If any number is having 1 as 1 at the ones place, then its cube will also have 1 at its ones place. If any number having 2 at its ones place, in its cube 8 will come at its ones place. Similarly, if 3 is there at the ones place, 7 will come at the ones place of its cube. If 4 is there at the ones place of the number, in its cube 4 will come at the ones place. 5, then 5 will come, 6, then 6 will come, 7, then 3 will come, 8, then 2 will come, and 9, then 9 will come. So what the relationship we will get? 2 inverses to 8, 8 inverses to 2, 3 inverses to 7, and 7 inverses to 3. Rest 1, if 1 is there at the ones place, you will get 1. 2 is there, 4 is there at the ones place, you will get 4. 5 is there, so 5 you are going to get at the ones place of its cube, and 6 is there, then you are going to get the 6 at the ones place, and 9 is there, so you are going to get 9 at the ones place. So this was all about the basic concepts of and properties of cube. So in the today's live class we are going to discuss this much only. In the next live class we are going to do few questions based on cube and cube root. Till then, keep practicing, keep liking, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, don't forget to subscribe. Good luck. So I hope you all are now able to understand. So now I am going to end up the class. Thank you for staying connected here.